Napakasarap ng aking ulam today. It's called lauya. At ang version natin is from Rizal. Meat, vegetables, and fruit all together into one dish. And this is how I made it. Mm. Mm. Magluluto tayo ng masarap na sabaw. This is like a regional dish. Pero if you go around, marami din iba't ibang versions ito. There are versions from up north, like in Ilocos, meron din sa middle part, Rizal, Cainta, meron din ganito sa Mindanao. Pero today, we are doing similar to the version of Cainta. And this dish is called lauya. No? Narinig niyo ba yung lauya? And it's a broth para siyang nilagang baboy, ribs or pata, which is very flavorful and has loads of vegetables. So ito, simulan lang natin, iniinit ko lang yung aking pot and uunahin ko yung paggisa ng ating aromatics. So meron tayong sibuyas, bawang, at luya. Ang version natin na to, some people would cook this with a clear broth. But today, yung style natin, gagawin ko siyang merong atsuete para maging mamula-mula yung ating sabaw. And I'm adding my little bit of annatto oil. And I will saute my onions, my ginger, at yung bawang. So this is really a very simple one-pot dish. And ang lauya nanggaling sa Spanish na la olla or the pot. So ito yung pot, usually clay pot to dati. So nilalagay mo lang kung anong meron ka and ilalaga mo lang siya hanggang lumambot, which we are also doing today. Pero may extra step lang ako dito para maging mas malinamnam ay ginigisa natin yung ating aromatics. To this, I'm adding 3 pieces of star anise. And ilalagay ko na yung ating baboy. Pork meat na hinugasan natin ng maayos. Masarap dito pata or ribs. Konting asin. At lalagyan ko ng whole black peppers. Ano? Ito yung magiging base ng ating masarap na sabaw. At ngayon lalagyan ko yung ating tubig, no? So ito, ilalaga natin ito ng maayos yung ating sabaw. And later on, we will add our vegetables. Papakuluin natin ng ilang minuto. Then we will continue cooking. In the meantime, mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa simple.ph YouTube channel para may magaya ko yung mga recipes from our collection. And this is a version I tasted in Taytay, Cainta, and Rizal area. Doon kasi magkalapit na mga places. And look at that. This is the color. Meron kasi ibang versions na very clear. Kung may lauya sa inyo, please comment ano ba yung style ng inyong lauya. Clear ba? Or ganito may kulay? Pero, ang natikman ko dito, hindi ko ma-explain. Kung merong nakakaalam, you explain it to me. Naglalagay silang saging, pero kasama yung kanyang balat. Have you ever tried anything like that? Pero ako, I know for a fact na ang kanyang balat is very nutritious. So siguro, hindi naman kinakain yung balat niya, pero it adds probably some nutrients to the soup itself. So, yan. Then, sayote. Minsan may corn, minsan may patatas, minsan may kamote, minsan may puso ng saging. So, what is your version? So, this is the version we are trying today. And it's very interesting, no? So, madali lang naman maluto tong ating mga vegetables. Let that boil and simmer. And later on, we will add our other green vegetables, pechay, pwedeng repolyo. And to add flavor to our soup, to our broth, we're adding a bit of patis. And to give it more flavor, we're adding Maggi Magic Sarap para sa perfectly namnam. Masarap tong sabaw na to pag may kasama. It's a perfect family recipe. And something new to try. Baka magustuhan nyo, then magiging part na ng inyong regular menu sa family. But this is the first time I'm cooking lauya. I've tried it several times. iba't ibang version. And this is the version na nagtumatak talaga sa utak ko, yung may saging na may kasamang balat. Yan. So, comment down below, ano yung reason bakit kasama yung balat ng saging. I will let that cook a little bit more. At maluluto na yung ating lauya. Ito, pwede sitaw, pwede Baguio beans. Alam mo naman, anything goes, di ba? Kung anong gulay meron tayo, yun ang gamitin. And let that cook for a minute. Then, lastly, to finish our lauya. At ito, mas masarap to kinabukasan when all the flavors come together. Pero ito, konting luto with our petchay. You can add cabbage or whatever. Tatakpan ko siya. And when we open it, we will be ready to serve. At ito, luto na yung ating lauya. Very simple recipe. Para lang siyang nilaga with a little bit of a twist. And it might be interesting na subukan nyo din. Kasi, baka nagsawa na rin tayo sa paulit-ulit natin na recipe. And this is something different, but still very familiar. Lasang nilaga pa rin siya. So, you have all your vegetables, may saging, may sayote, you can add patatas, you have your pork. This is a very hearty and delicious recipe you can try out for the holidays. And now, to add our soup, para matikman ko na tong ating recipe for today. Titikman ko kasi nagugutom ako at gusto kong ma-experience ang lauya. Titikman ko muna yung sabaw. Masarap siya, malasa. I love the banana. Napakasarap ng ating ulam ngayon. Kakaiba, but still very comforting. Lauya, simple! It's finally here, my newest book, Pinas Simple. This book is so special to me because it celebrates my 10 years as an author. Beyond recipes, this book tells stories of Filipinos through our cuisine. This book, Pinas Simple, The Love and Lore of Filipino Cooking, is an anthology of essays and dishes that bring our culture one bite at a time. Grab your copies now.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.